Hello, Nitaji.
Hello.
Fine. So, like, I have talked with Dhruvi. So, you are a homemaker, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, like, in your early life, have you used this Excel before?
No. It's first time.
First time you are using? Okay. So, Dhruvi has connected with a different system, and you are connected with a different system, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But I think
Huh.
from Monday we'll together.
Okay. Next time, after next time, you will join together, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, like, today's class is all about the introduction of Excel. The very basic we will take out. At the same time, we will use some shortcut keys here. So, let me share that file to you. My name is Soni.
Okay.
Okay, so just let me share my screen. Now, visible the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Like anytime, if you open any kind of Excel file in your system, now this will be the first look of your table, of your sheet. So no data will be there. At the same time, only this kind of sheet will be visible. So we want, first of all, we have to take out the elements of Excel. First of all, when I'm clicking on any one of the cell, it is getting a kind of border. Black border they are getting. This is called a active cell. Means actively you are working in this particular cell. And the same thing which I have typed here, it is visible here also, which is called a formula bar. So if I backspace it and type formula bar, basically formula bar is used to added something, to change anything. You want to type entries, so you can type this formula bar. At the same time, if I click only one of the cell, suppose if I'm clicking on this cell, H is highlighted. At the same time, 8 is highlighted, which means H8 is there, which refers to the cell reference. Cell reference means cell address. It means you are standing on the column number H and you are standing on the column number, row number 8. So it will give you H8. Fine. So at the same time, I am giving cursor to Dhruvi. Dhruvi, just try to click on my sheet. Yeah, fine. So like first of all, we will start with doing data entries in this table. So just type here employee code. Employee code, full spelling. Code, C-O-D-E. C-O-D-E. After that, you will press tab button. Tab button automatically shift your cell to the next value. Yeah. Here only you will type name of the employee. No need to adjust now. We will adjust it with a single click and with the help of shortcut key. So just you have to type name of the employee. Name of the employee you have to type. Tab button. After that, you will type department. Tab button. Date of birth. Tab button. Date of joining. Date of joining. Yeah. Basic salary. Fine. So this we have put our all data entries here. But the data which we have given is not visible. So like employee code is not visible, name of the employee, department. So we want to adjust it. So the first option is to select the material and you can just simply double click here. So all will adjust. But this option is not so practical because sometimes it will not adjust your material. So what you will do? I have made the selection. I will go to this format. There will be an option of auto fit column with it. Adjust it. What I have done, I have just made the selection. I will go to this format and option will be auto fit column with it. So it will adjust it accordingly. But I want to perform this option with the help of a shortcut key. Format column with it. I'm typing here. It is Alt HOI. No need to remember. We will just adjust it. Dhruvi, just click on basic salary firstly. Yeah, Control A. Fine. Now press Alt. Leave that Alt button after pressing. Yeah. Now press H individually. O I. So basically what this Alt is doing here, when I press Alt button, so after that it will highlight all the keys present here. H4 home, insert and page layout P, mailing, any other option it will show you. So like H4 home. So I press H here. At the same time for format, it is showing O. And after that auto fit column width is there. So I have adjusted with I. So this is one option through which we can adjust the material or entries present in your specific cells. At the same time, you have an option also, which is rep text. Again, with the help of shortcut key, we will do H4 home, W4 rep. Yeah, click on basic salary, Dhruvi. Basic salary. Yeah, Control A. Individually all keys. Alt HW. See. Anita ji, now you tell me the difference between auto fit column width and rep text. Anita ji, what do you understand by that auto fit column width and rep text? What is the difference between both the values? This auto fit and this rep text. Yeah, Dhruvi. Are you getting any kind of difference between them?
Wrap text is like basically creates like greater space and like auto.
So basically, if we adjust according to the column, it is adjusting according to in the right direction. It is adjusting. It is adjusting according to your column. But when we do this rep text option, it will adjust according to your row in this way. Okay. Anita ji, are you there? I want to give you cursor for it now.
Okay.
I'm
It's
giving
new for
yeah.
me, that's why.
Fine, not an issue. That's why I'm giving cursor to you. So like you have to. Okay, first of all, you type entries here. Just click on the cell.
Okay.
Type Nita here. Enter. Enter, you will press Dhruvi. Now you will type Dhruvi here.
Okay.
Enter. Now you will type Sony here. Two more names you can type, any two more. Fine. After that, I want to put departments also. So type here accounts. Enter. HR. Enter. Purchase. Enter. Production. Enter. Marketing. So like these are my entries. At the same time, first of all, what we will do, we will use some shortcut keys. We want to adjust, means I want to format it. So I'm just typing some shortcut keys first of all. Bold, italic, and underline. First three shortcut keys for you. So B for bold. So I have given control B. Italic, I for italic. So control I. Underline, control plus U. So now Nitaji, you have to press one shortcut key. I am typing here. Control, shift, right arrow. These three keys you have to press at the same time. Just try to press it. Control, shift, right arrow. Fine. When you press control, shift, right arrow, na, so you automatically select all the material present in the right direction. So what you have done, you have pressed control, shift, right arrow. Now press control B.
Control B.
So what you understand by control B? Only once you have to press, only once. Now press control B. Done. Now you tell me what are you getting information about control B?
It's bold, ne?
Bold. Now you have to press control I. Once only. Yeah. It is giving you a cursive way. Means it is doing italic way. Now we want to provide underline also. Control U. So underline will be there. So in this way we can provide bold. We single click you can use bold, italic, underline. At the same time, you just click on this option. This is called the fill color. It will give the color inside this cell. Click on this option. When you click, no, this pop-up you have to click. Yeah. When you click on this pop-up, a number of colors will be there. So you can choose any one of them. Choose any. Fine. Choose anyone. So like when you click on this option, it will give you very simple colors. But I want some effective colors here. So what I basically want, I want to format the cells. So we'll use an option of control 1. I have made the selection. Now try control 1. There will be an option of fill. Means basically I want to fill color. So that's why I have selected fill option. Click here. Yeah. Now again we got the same simple colors. For getting effect option, we will go to fill effects, and here we can create mixture of colors. Suppose I have selected this one and I have selected this one. So we can create mixtures of color here. Vertical you want, diagonal up, diagonal down, from corner, from center. I have done okay here. Again okay. See. It will format your material in this way. Fine. Dhruvi, now you just try this option. What I want to provide some sequence data. What basically I want, suppose if I type 1 here, so automatically in other cell there should be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means it should give you a sequence data here. So for doing this, we have two options. So first of all, we will start. Click here on the first cell. Yeah. Type 1. Enter. And 2. Why I am typing 1 and 2? Because I am providing the difference between the numbers. So now I have made the selection. Now from here, you have to drag this option. Yeah, you have to drag from here, from the lower right corner. Lower right corner. See, I am doing in this way. Suppose I have selected this 1 and 2. I will made selection here when this black plus come, and I will drag in this way. Try this once. Type 1 again. Enter. 2. Now you will select both the numbers. When you select both the numbers, it means you are providing a difference here. Yeah, now you will drag. See. And suppose if you have not provided both the numbers, just type 1 here and now drag. 1. Now you will drag. So automatically it will give you 1 only when you start dragging it. Now you will drag. See. So means when we type 1 and 2, which means we are providing a difference for the numbers. That my first value should be 1, and after that there should be other values. I'm copying this option. You know what is the shortcut key of copy? If I want to copy and if I want to paste something,
Control C.
right? And for paste it is Control V. So same thing I have done. I have selected the material, Control C and Control V. This option. But we have given the employee code, but there is a limitation of this option. Now what is the limitation for it? Dhruvi, just right click on this 9. You have to right click on 9. When you right click on it, now there will be an option of delete. So when you entire row, okay. So what I have done, I have deleted the 9th entries. So now you go tell me, suppose if I have around 25,000 entries and if I deleted the 5,000 row entry, so will there be any kind of updation that someone has deleted something or edited something? Any updation will be there? Here also I have deleted the 9th row, but only I am not getting any kind of updation that someone has deleted something. Or suppose if I change this 4 into 5, again I'm not getting any kind of updation. So what I basically want, I want to create a sequence data in which I get and sequence at the same time we get an updation for it if someone has deleted something. So like Neetaji, again I'm giving cursor to you. This option you have to try. So I have selected this option. Click here. On the first cell you have to click. What we are doing, we are starting one formula to create a sequence data. First entry should be there. Here we are starting. Press equal button. Press equal button. Now click on 1. Click on 1. You have to click on 1.
Okay.
Yeah, this one, this entry. Now plus symbol. Plus symbol you have to provide. Yeah, good. Now 1. You have to type now 1. Yeah. Now press enter. Now, Neetaji, you tell me why it is showing A2 here. It is showing A2 because you have selected this one and this one present in the A2 cell, which means A column and row number 2. When you use any kind of formula, it will not show the value present in that particular cell. It will show the cell address, which is A2, which means I want to add +1 value in this particular cell. And when I start dragging from there, automatically I will get the same data. There is a better point and there is a good point here. Suppose if I'm changing this to 80156, automatically other values will change. If I type 57, 68, at the same time, if you right click somewhere and you have selected the delete option, entire row, so updation will be there. So this is a better option because it has formula. It will adjust according to your first value, and after that you can find out the updation also. Fine. In the same way, I'm typing one value here for date of birth. Suppose 1990 I'm putting. After that 109 and 1990 again. So basically here what I have given, I'm changing this value. We have around 9-month difference here. Just drag from here, click on the lower right corner and drag it down. Yeah, selection is there. Now you just have to drag. You can just double click also. If you don't want to drag, you just double click on the lower right corner. See. And now you tell me why it is showing hashtag. Because space is not there. So you will use this shortcut key with me. Alt HOI. So now press Alt here.
Alt.
Alt. Leave that Alt button. H
H.
O I. Adjust it. So this is your date. Suppose this is showing around 1 to 1990, but I don't want this format. I want this format, 1st Jan 1990. Again, we will use one shortcut key, date format. We will continue this shortcut key so that you can remember it also. First of all, Control Shift 3. Anita ji, just click on the first date, 1st to 1 to 1990. Yeah, click here. 1 to 1990. Yeah. Now press Control Shift down arrow once only. Control Shift down arrow, which means you are selecting that particular column. Now you will use Control Shift 3. Now you tell me what happened with this Control Shift 3.
Yeah. There is the September, May, the all months are.
Okay. Now in the same way, in date of joining also, I am putting some random dates. 08-2004. And here also I am putting 15 and -2 2005. Now start dragging from both the values. First made selection. You have to select both the dates. Now again we have to use one shortcut key. Shift down arrow. Shift down arrow. Good. Now you will try. Or you can just double click here.
Yeah.
When you double click, automatically. And again, hashtag is coming. So which key we have to use? This option. Format. Use this function once. Keys. You have to auto fit. Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
I.
See. And again, date format you have to change.
Control Shift.
Yeah.
And 3.
3. Good.
Control Shift 3.
Good. Yeah, Dhruvi, now giving cursor to you. Just type on the basic salary 10,000. So now in 10,000, here what we have done, we have plus 1 here. But now what I want to add 1,000 rupees to this particular cell. So again, we will use formula. Click here once, equal. You will select 10,000. You will select 10,000. Good, F2. And I want to add 1,000 rupees. So you will, plus symbol will be there. And 1,000 you will type. Enter. Now you will just double click on 11 and just click on 11,000 once, and at the lower right corner you will do double click. Yeah. Now in the same way, see what we have done, we have formatted this heading. So now you have to format the remaining data and we have to select it with the help of shortcut key. So just click here. In the first code 1591. Yeah. Now you will press Control Shift down to select the table in the downward direction. Yeah, good. Now Control Shift right to select the table in the rightward direction. Yeah. And at the same time, when we go here, it is giving you very basic colors, but I want to format it like better formatting option. So I will use this key, Control 1. Use this option. Now use Control 1. Just give me a minute. I'm selecting it. Yeah, Control 1 is there. See. Now choose Fill Effects option here. Fill Effects, you can choose any color in color 1 and color 2. In color 2 also you have to change. Yeah. Now you can do vertical, diagonal up, diagonal down. Okay. Okay. See. And I want to provide text fill also. Just click here. There will be color for font also. Font means text. Choose any color. Red you can, this one. Yeah, fine. So now Dhruvi, you tell me, is your table contain any kind of border? Is your table contain any kind of border? Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, so border is not there. So what I want you to provide, you have to provide all border to your table. Again, same shortcut key. Alt is compulsory shortcut key. H for home, B for border, and A for all border. H for home, B for border, and A for all border. So click on the table. When you click on the table, you will press Control A so that your table will be in selection. Now you will press Control A. Full table will be in selection. Now press Alt H B A. See. So it is giving you this kind of border. But like now we have formatted it with the advanced options, but we have not given the border so advanced manner. So what I want you to provide, we have to provide some effective borders to it. So again, we will use the same shortcut key. If you want some advanced formatting option, the same shortcut key you will use again and again, which is Control 1. So I have selected it. Press Control 1 again. Control 1. Yeah. Beside this fill option, there is one option of border. Click on it. So in this border, we can provide two types of border in a single table. Just click on this double line at the last in the line style. Double line is there at the very last, right? In color, we can choose any color. Suppose I have selected red color. I am providing it to the outline option. So see, this outline is there. At the same time, in inside, I want a thick line. This option I can take with the green color. And inside. So this particular format will apply to your table. And I have done OK. See. Border is there. Red color outside border. At the same time, inside is a thick line with green color. So we can format our material with advanced formatting options, but you have to press this shortcut key, which is Control 1. At the same time, suppose we have, is it clear as of now? Till now, is it clear?
Yes.
Jaji?
Yes.
Fine. Like what I want you to do, I want to provide a name to this table. I have formatted it. Yes. Sorry?
No, sorry.
Okay. This is your table, so I want to provide it a heading. Suppose I want to provide as employee data, but I have used the first row. So I want to insert one more row to this particular table. So Dhruvi, just right click on the employee code. When we do right click, we get an option of delete. At the same time, we find an option of insert also. So basically I want to insert, click on insert. I want to insert a row, so entire row. And okay. See, Type here employee data. Press enter. So like we have given the title, but title should be now in the middle of the table. But as of now, if we see, we have multiple cells, so we cannot merge it first of all. So basically we will going to start this option of merge and center. Again, I'm typing here merge and center. What is the use of this merge and center? It will make a number of cells in a single cell. I have selected around more than 5 cells, and I will simply click on this merge and center. So automatically the multiple cells will connect into a single cell. Merge and center. See, single box. So in the same way, from A cell to F cell, I want to merge and center it. So again, shortcut key will be there, which is Alt, H for home, M for merge, and C for center. So we click on employee data. Yeah. Shift right arrow up to F cell. Shift right arrow up to F cell. Now you will press Alt H M C. Yeah. Now with the same shortcut key, which is Control 1, formatted. Yeah. Give filling option to it. So this is one option. We can increase their size by clicking on this A. We can bold it. We can italic it. We can provide a font style to it, which is Algerian or any other thing you can select from there. Arial black. You can change the color also. So this is one option. Now, Neetaji, you tell me, basically we are going to start our alignments. So what do you mean by the alignment? First of all, this we have to understand. Now you will see, this is our alpha data. Alpha in the sense A to Z. It is written from the A to Z value. This data. Their name and employee. Name of the employee and the department. They are touching the left direction.
Yes.
Yeah, it is touching the left direction border. At the same time, if we look out the date of birth, date of joining, basic salary, which is related to the numerical data, they are touching the right direction, right border they are touching. So what I want you to do, we have to provide the same alignment. Basically, we called it alignments. So I want to provide it alignments. So we have around 3 alignments: left aligned, align left, align right, and align center. So again, Alt is a compulsory shortcut key. H for home, A for alignment, L for left alignment. Alt is compulsory, H for home, A for alignment, and R for right alignment. C for center alignment. So Neetaji, I'm giving cursor to you now. Just click on the table.
Yeah.
Click on the table. Press Control A. Yeah. Now you will press Alt. First of all, we will do center alignment. So H for home, A for alignment, and C for center alignment. See, alignment and center. Now change this into left alignment with the same shortcut key.
Home. A.
Yeah.
And
Left L.
L.
So we can align it in any direction. At the same time, see, this is fine, but in employee code, what I want to place it into the middle side. So again, I have selected this. There is three more option, which is top, middle, and bottom. So this also we can use with the help of shortcut key Alt, H for home, A for alignment. We will find out as T for top, M for middle, and B for bottom. So M I have selected. So we can place it in any direction. So this is our alignment option. I am placing it into center only. So I have selected the center. Either you can click or you can just simply use the shortcut keys. So this is one option for us. Okay, fine. Now suppose I have told you that this is your formula bar, right? This is your formula bar. If I'm clicking any one of the cell, the value in this particular cell is visible here. Suppose if I am clicking here, Weber, so automatically it is visible here. At the same time, I have told you that there is one more option which is named as name box. So what's the use of it? First of all, it will give you only the column number and row number, which known as cell address. But we can provide your name to this table also. Suppose I have selected this. I will go to this name box and I will type Nita here. Enter. So what will happen? Suppose you are on the first sheet and you means mujhe ye nahi pata where Nita is located. The particular table. I want to find out the location of Nita's table. So in this particular sheet, I will go to this name box. Again, I will type here. So automatically my cursor will move to my table. If you are a random sheet and you do not know the location of your particular table, you only know the name of it. So you can simply type in the name box and you can go here. This option is beneficial when we have to provide long functions. So this is called a name box. We are providing any name to the range.
Okay.
Fine. Anita ji, now you tell me, suppose if I delete this thing, so will you be able to differentiate between this employee code and basic salary? Are you getting that either this is the employee code or this is the employee code? No, but only we are getting information because we have particular headings. So what I want to create one format here. I want to provide currency. So just made selection of the basic salary. Click on 10,000. Click on 10,000. Control, click on 10,000. Yeah. Control shift down arrow. So what I basically want to tell you, there is one option which is known as the general tab. Basically anything which you type in the Excel will be in general mode, but we have to modify it that either the value is a number, is a currency, is an accounting format same as currency, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction. So as of now we get to know that this is about currency. So I have selected this one. But this option, it is only giving you dollar symbol. Suppose I want to provide any other currency symbol. So go again that to the general tab. Click on the general tab again. Yeah, at the very last, there will be an option of more number formats. Yeah, click on it. In number format, now we have currency. Now there will be an option of symbol also.
Okay.
So any kind of currency you can find out here. Hindi I have given. Okay. And if you don't want decimal, so you can remove the decimal value also. So I have given it up to 0. Okay. So we have provided Indian currency also. So basically, what's the purpose of this general tab? We can provide our format to our date, any currency, any phone number also. Suppose I am providing long date. See, long date has come. It is providing you day also. So this is one option with you. Is it clear?
Yes.
Dhruvi?
Yes.
Fine. So, do we need to continue now? You have to practice on it.
Oh, to practice.
Practice now. First of all, Dhruvi, anything new for you in this option? Introduction of Excel.
So teacher, what?
Like, have you got any new thing in this session?
Yes, like the shortcuts. Yeah, they might be.
Okay, fine. So like now, these are some basic shortcut keys which I have given. I will share you one more file with the name of shortcut keys and formula description. So there will be more shortcut keys to perform. So first of all, you will try this, and other shortcut keys we will perform in our other sessions. Okay.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
this recording I have to share you with mail, or I can share in the WhatsApp group.
You can share anything.
Any, na? Fine. So
Yeah.
I will change. I will convert it into Drive, and I will share in the WhatsApp group and practice file also. We have this assignment one. If you want to practice, na, there is one sheet with the name of assignment one. So you can check out the table. You can format it as per given, and you can provide any other option given here. Shortcut keys with the this font face. Basically, font face is named as this option: Algerian, agency, Arial back. So this is the option which is font face. Bold we can do. We can check out the size. We can provide borders. So this is the assignment one to practice. At the same time, you will see employee data, shortcut keys. I have given name to it. So just you will double click on your sheet tab. This is sheet 2. You can just double click and type your name. So automatically you will move to that particular cell. Right click, tab color. Fine. So it's enough for today. So I will share this file and recording to you in the WhatsApp group.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.